So, you've got the same issue, huh? It drives you nuts, am I right? It did drive me crazy. For the past 3 weeks, I just couldn't help and make it stop. But I did. Well, but how did you do it? Was it like some crazy magical shenanigans? Well, no. Was it the belt tension? Well, no, I did tension the both belts and it did nothing. Maybe some broken part. Yes, I did find that Y belt tensioner was slightly out of place. So I did replace it with the new one, but the issue still remained. So what did I do? I prayed to God for help.
So after doing a pretty damn long research, 3 weeks, I became to a one conclusion. There is something wrong with the gantry. And I think I know what it is. Gantry out of square. So what I did is I took it off all apart. Yes, you have to do it if you want to be precise. Then I did unscrew all the screws that hold the gantry with the upper frame. Then I moved my print head to the back and started at the back. I made sure that all the screws go exactly to the spot. Screw it in firmly, and then I moved the print head to the front and did the same process, and it just works.
So there you have it. It did work. For me, at least. I don't know if it will work for everyone, but in that situation, it did work and resolved the issue as there is no more noise coming out from the axis. I'm curious if it will help someone else, so if it did help you out, let me know. For real, let me know. Just hit me up in the DMs and say, hey, my man, Zero, it did work. And yeah, that's all. I don't need anything more. No hi, no goodbye, just fine, it did work. I'm Zero and this is Zero Normality. Bye.